be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen. What's up, y'all? It's Big Rough TV back with another sneaker video. Boom. Got my sister Locky Lock.
Hola.
In the video. I told her she was gonna be in the video. So I just wanted to do a quick one. I've been holding off on these shoes for like a week. What happened is I bought a pair and I got them in a size 14, being hard-headed, knowing I can't fit the 14 in this specific shoe. So I sent those to my brother, the 14, and he ordered this size for me. So we good to go now. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it real quick. You all see that? Size 15. You know Big Rough is a proud member of the Lebron gang. This is hard. It's hard doing this one hand, this big ass box. But these are the Nike Lebron 9. Colorway is black, lime glow, and Dutch blue. As I showed you, the size is 15 on these. So let's go ahead and bring these out. I don't know how I'm gonna bring this box out with one hand here, but let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, all right, there we go. Hold on. Okay. All right, we in there. Right there. All right, can't show the shoe. Can't show the shoe. You want to do it? You don't know. You don't know the quotes. You all know how I do it right here on Big Rough TV. I'm turning y'all away. I'm gonna turn y'all away so y'all can't see it. Yeah. You go left shoe first, baby. Woo! What'd you think of these?
They're pretty clean. I like the colors on there.
Yeah. LeBron 9, Nike Lebron 9 in that South Coast colorway. These are clean, man. These are definitely clean. Great colorway. The one thing off the top that I can say that I don't like is that it was kind of like on the Watch the Thrones. Let me set those down. On the Watch the Throne version, there was the it's like carbon fiber right here on the side. This material here used to be like a carbon fiber design, and it's actually on the Big Bang 9s as well. Most of the LeBron 9s are like that, but for some reason this is more of a cloth material on the side. That's the only thing that I don't like. Everything else is smooth. Great colorway. That blue is popping. I like that. You got your, let me get some of this paper out the way. You got your kind of beach vibes, Hawaiian shirt, kind of pink and blue on the inside there. Nice support here on the inside, good cushioning. That's gonna lock you down in place.
Lock you down.
Hell yeah, you ain't going nowhere. And we got on the front, got your LeBron James logo there, that LJ with the crown. Nike swoosh there. Then we got the LeBron logo in the back. Nice air unit there on the side. Little bit hit of the carbon fiber there, white carbon fiber plates there on the bottom. Look at that bottom though. Nice
Booty.
that icy blue there. Nice. LeBron white there. You see the name LeBron there on the back. This cell, I should film with my cell phone more often because it's crystal clear. I'll be trying to do this with the camera at home. I can never show these little details. But you see the LeBron there on the back. Is there anything on the front? Does it say something on the front? It does say something. Chosen. I can't see, it's the light. Now, that's a whole phrase on the front there.
Yeah.
Echoes in eternity, or for eternity.
Echoes in eternity, yeah.
Echoes in eternity is what it says there on the front. You probably can't see that because it's all in the blue.
And I would have never even noticed that.
That in the front there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be looking at the stuff. I got you blocked out, my bad. It's I'll be looking all around because most LeBrons have some kind of phrase or something in the front or in the back, or he has his kids' names somewhere on the shoe. But I think he only had the two boys at the time these came out, so he probably didn't start doing that yet. But I know a lot of the newer ones that have their initials, it'll be like BBZ somewhere on them. But man, these are dope. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Look at that air unit going around there. Very nice. And then of course on the tongue you got LeBron's signature. Very dope, man. Very dope shoe. If you are thinking about getting a pair of LeBron 9s, make sure you go up a whole size. Don't get your true size. Go up a full size. That's my recommendation. I normally will wear 14 in these, or in LeBrons, and most LeBrons I wear 14, but I have to get a 15 in this shoe because it runs just a little bit small, man. So that's my recommendation. I mentioned the pull tab on the back. Is there anything on that? It says 9 there at the top. Let me show y'all the inside real quick. On the laces, you see the signature. Dang, this cell phone camera be picking up everything. I could never show that part on my camera at home. I can never show it. It's always blurry. On the inside, I just saw something that was in there. You can see there's a logo on the inside, on the insole there. Yeah. But that's gonna do it for this one, man. Just wanted to bring y'all a quick video in the car, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. And I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Peace.